go potty? Come on. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, Joey and I have been really lazy all day today. We're just kind of going for a walk down that same trail we took that had the waterfall. And I'm just gonna go a bit further and see where it goes, but it's been a pretty lazy day. I don't have any service, so I haven't been able to get a lot of work done. And so we've just been lounging around the camp, and now we're just on a little stroll. This is definitely one of the most picturesque campgrounds that I've been to. It is so beautiful, and there's so many hiking trails you can take, and it's just, I feel very lucky. I feel very grateful that I'm able to do this and be here. I've been kind of in a funk lately, but that's okay. And I have a brand new camera that I don't even use. Honestly, like, maybe 10% of the footage that I've taken since I've gotten that camera has been from the camera. It's all been on my phone still. But I do love my new laptop. You guys hear the water? So beautiful here. So yeah, this is where we stopped last time. We kind of like walked down into there to see like the actual bigger waterfall, but we're gonna keep going on this trail, just see where it goes. This place is insane. I feel like I'm in a jungle. It's just so green. Hey, Joey. So since living in a van, I've gotten accustomed to eating a meal made completely from canned foods. So we have some black olives and canned green beans and some canned potatoes. Bon appetit! Hey guys. I'm officially the worst vlogger ever. It's the next day. I did not record anything else yesterday at all. I'm leaving this campground today. I'm just going to bring you guys with me to the next place I go to, which is a little undecided at this time. I have just not been on the ball lately. You guys know, when you get in that kind of rut, but I have to fill up my water. Normally I don't fill up at campgrounds because the water usually sucks. It usually tastes a little bit chlorinated. But this water is really good. Comparable to Elk Lake, where I camp hosted, they have the best water. And the water here is just amazing like that. So I'm going to fill up everything. I'm up to having like 10 gallons of water. I have like 6 single gallon jugs, and then I have my 3 gallon bigger jug. And then I just bought a 2.5 gallon jug because I didn't know how the water would be here and there wasn't really anywhere else for me to fill up. I paid $5 for this 2.5 gallon jug. I'm so sad because when I got here, the water was amazing. But after I fill up my water, we're just gonna head out of here and go to an unknown location at this time. I'm really just not on the ball lately, you guys. I know you will understand what I'm going through right now because sometimes you just kind of get into a rut. I think it all started with the day that I almost went off the road. After that, things have just felt really weird. I don't know if it's just like a mindset thing, but I did lose my ID and now I'm having an issue getting it to me because I cannot pick it up without an ID. And so I think I might have to drive back to Oregon. Fingers crossed I don't, but that's not for another week at least, because I do have reservations coming up somewhere else. But anywho, welcome to my life of I don't know what the heck I'm doing 90% of the time. Well, let's get out of this spot and go find another place to stay tonight, and hopefully it's just as beautiful because this place was absolutely amazing. I will definitely be returning here. All right, you guys, let's get on the road. I'm actually just gonna drive right into town and use my service because I have cell phone service there and look up where I'm going. I'm gonna try and prolong this because I'm trying to charge my Jackery up before I go to my next campground, because I know for sure I won't have service there. So we're gonna try and get this baby as full as possible, even though our drive is really short. It's only like 30 minutes to the next spot. So, going into town really quick, get some breakfast and some coffee. I'm excited. So this is the town area of Amanda Park. They have a couple of restaurants. This is a little shop that has groceries and stuff. And then they have a restaurant. And then if you guys can see, they have an internet cafe with espresso. And I tried the coffee at this blue building yesterday and it wasn't very good. So I'm gonna try this one today. Oh, it's really cute in here. I was just in that place for like 3.5 hours and got a lot of work done. Feels really good, but this place is beautiful. I love how like the clouds look on the mountains. It's gorgeous. So now we're gonna head out and head to Kalaloch. I think that's how you say it, I'm not really sure. Kalaloch Beach. There's a free camping spot near there. So we're heading out of here now and I'll show you guys where we go. I made a pit stop in Queets, Washington, where they have a gas station, and outside of the gas station they had a little market going on, and they just happened to have a dog washing station, which I thought was very, very awesome. Joey definitely was in need of a bath, so thank you to the people who run that Queets dog washing station. It was definitely needed. What a cool little stop they have here. Who's that clean boy? Did you get a bath? Do you feel so much better? You're so fresh and so clean, my baby. think I want to move my van up here. Can't really beat this view. Wow. Plus this one has a fireplace. I'm gonna go get my van and move up here. Alright, so we moved into the new spot, and I've just been cleaning out the van. When I got here, it was sunny, so I had my solar panels out, but it's been 5 minutes, so it started raining. So I only got up to 20% on my Jackery, which is not very good, but better than nothing, huh, Joe? Are you just dying to come back here? So I just drove back maybe like, I don't know, half a mile to the first spot I got service so that I could download the third Twilight so I'm not watching the first two again. Whoa, you guys see that rainbow? It's like hanging on top of the trees. What? How cool. Well, today is one of those days where we hang out inside. It's been super rainy since I woke up. Got Joey all bundled up over here. You were super cold, huh, Joe? Because we went outside to go potty and it was cold out there. It's just one of those days, huh, Joe? Oh, baby. Don't worry, guys. It's actually like 50 degrees, so he's not freezing. He's just dramatic. There you go, babies. Well, a little bit about how our day is going. I drove off to go down to the spot where I have service and forgot that I left my coffee on my little back thing right here. So it decided to spill all over everything, which is why it's a disaster all over here because I had to take everything out and wipe it all off. But oh, the joys of living in a van, because that has happened so many times. I cannot even tell you guys how many times I've spilled my coffee or drove off with it when it was sitting up there. I know better. I already know better, and I still do it. And I just, one track mind. I was like, yes, I need to go and respond to you guys on my previous video, and here we are, huh, Joe? So this is my last day in this area. I'm going to a new area tomorrow, so I figured I would end this vlog here, but I hope you guys had fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do so below. I'll also put a link for my Patreon in the description box in case you guys want to check that out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!